Hi everybody, this is Felicia and welcome to my video for Wild Whispers design team. I'm working with one of Wild Whispers older collections and it is Strong and Free and Focus on You. These two collections I am combining to create this layout here of this black and white with this black and white photo, and there you go, so you can see that. And now I'm going to be using the flip side of this Wild and Free. So I like this photo, and the reason why I like this photo, and I'll tell you a little bit real quick, is because I have lost 8 pounds and it took only a matter of 2 weeks for me to lose that 8 pounds. And you're probably wondering how I did it. One, it was exercise. Two, I dropped sugar. I just had to do it because sugar is so bad for you. So I decided to go ahead and do that, and I'm happy with the results that I got here in this photo here, which shows that I actually lost a lot of my stomach area, which I'm so happy about because that's where a lot of my weight was settling at, in my stomach and hips and the other parts from behind. Sorry, I'm the bum. So what I decided to do was just go ahead and go back to exercising. I got clearance from my doctor because I had received what we call an epidural in my back to help the inflammation go down by my sciatic nerve because it was bad. So now I had the clearance and now I can't even stop exercising. I'm enjoying myself, and this is one of the reasons why I took this photo, because I am happy to be able to go back to the gym, which is what I missed. And I know that sounds weird because some people don't even like exercising, but I do. So I decided to create this layout because of the stamp set here, which is going to be stamped my title, and the title is Focus on You. And I just wanted to just do this because I've had, been going through ups and downs since I injured my back in January of 2017. And then I got the clearance to go back to exercise after I received the epidural in the middle part, well, I'm sorry, about the mid part of December of 2017. So you can imagine not being able to do anything with your back, trying to figure out what's going on back there and why is it hurt so bad. And it was a horrible, horrible situation I was in because it was sometimes painful and then sometimes not. And so I'm very happy that I was able to get that done, and now I'm back in the gym. The downfall to it all is I cannot run anymore. So this collection focuses on this photo of my accomplishments right now, and I'm still losing the weight. The weight is just coming off because I'm still exercising, and I love this collection because of that stamp set. So um, Wild Whispers has a lot of good collections, and I can't wait to start working with their new ones. And this is one of the ones that I really liked. It was one of their first ones, Focus on You. And then I also combined it with um, a little bit of Strong and Free. So the cameras are from the Focus on You collection as well. I had fussy cut those out in one of the papers, and I like that because they were black and white. So right now I'm trying to figure out if I want to put a little bit of the sequins on there or not. And so they're going to eventually end up coming off. But I do put this little rubber element here from, I can't even remember where that came from. And it says Sweet Things, which is how I felt that day. And I'm also using some of these little rubber smiley faces because I was also pretty happy that day. And those are from Freckled Fawn. But my mainly focus here is the Wild Whispers Designs collection here that I'm working with. And I'm glad I was able to use this to tell this story. So I'm pretty happy about that. And let's see, so I'm putting on just a little bit of little embellishments, and all these embellishments, except for the cameras, are from my stash. And I'm going to be drawing my journaling lines down here, and the journal lines are going to be about what is going on in that photo. And I like how I made those journal lines in between those two cameras. I like how that worked out. It worked out really well for me to do that. So I think I am just about done with this layout here. And I'm going to be sprinkling some of the Heidi Swap black velvet down here. And I love the way this came out because it just matched perfectly. Instead of it coming out black, they came out kind of a dark charcoal gray. The dots did, and it worked out perfect. So here you get to see a close-up look. And I love this. And this paper was perfect for this photo and this layout. So I want to thank you guys for watching. And be sure to check in on the Wild Whispers shop and pick out your own papers there because they're really, really wonderful. Take care, guys, and have a great and wonderful day. Bye-bye.